Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be creating a simple rainbow scratch book. Now, this book is going to contain a black paper, and when we move a pen we get rainbow designs. So, I'm going to begin by deleting my default sprite and choosing a sprite. So, for this we obviously need the pencil sprite. After getting the pencil sprite, I'm going to go to the costumes. I'm going to take pencil B because that's much lighter, and I'm going to choose the selecting tool, and I'm going to select the pencil, the whole pencil. Okay, and I'm going to drag this pencil to the center. I'm going to make the pencil tip touch the center. Okay guys, make sure of that. And in the codes, I'm going to choose add an extension right over here, and it's going to have the pen extension, and we have the pen extension here. Now I'm gonna paint a backdrop. So I'm gonna paint a backdrop. uh, I'm gonna convert it to bitmap and fill in black. Okay, so I'm gonna fill it in black, and back to the code, pencil, and events. When green flag is clicked, we need it to go to x0 y0. That's the first piece of code. Now we test it, it goes to x0 y0. Next, what we need is we need it to point in direction 90. Okay, and let's scroll down, and we need to also set the rotation style to left right. Okay, what this does is, usually if we rotate the direction like this, it goes upside down. Now I want it to be perfect. To do that, if we set the rotation style to left right, now if we change, he goes like this. Now this helps a lot when we code. Okay, so when we code, this will help us a lot. So now when the green flag is clicked, we also need the pen extensions to work. So erase all, pen down, and I also want to set the pen size to 3. Okay, now all this should work when we click the green flag. Okay, so now that is to be tested after creating a code. Now the next thing I need is, I want this to, change. I need it to be in rainbows, but before that, set pen color to, you can choose any color. just going to choose a red. Okay, red. And now you can go to controls, take out a forever block, and add 4 if then blocks inside it. It should all be placed under each other, and inside each one I'm going to put set key space pressed. Okay, so I'm going to put that, and first one is going to be right arrow, second one's going to be left arrow, third one's going to be up arrow, and fourth one's going to be down arrow. Now I'm going to go to the motion and scroll down, change x by 10, change x by -10, and change y by 10, change y by -10. Now that's not only the code which we need. In the right arrow we should say point in direction 90, and for the left arrow point in direction -90. Okay, now if we move the green flag and move, and it's perfect. You can see that the line works perfectly, but there are a few mistakes that we need to correct. The first thing is, this is a rainbow scratch book, not a normal scratch book. So we need to be rainbow in color. So the next thing I'm going to do is erase all first. Okay, I'm going to stop the code, and I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to take the set pen color tool, add this here, and delete this set pen color. Now go back to the pen extension and choose change pen color by 10. Now add that on top of the if then block. Make sure it's inside the forever block. Now our game is ready. Green flag clicked, and now we have a rainbow book. Now how amazing is this? It's very easy. We can create houses and all the stuff we like. It's very easy to use, and if changing x by 10 is too much, you can always reduce the number of x movements. You can make it to 1 3. So if I change the x to 3, everything to negative 3 3, I'll just change everything to 3. And now if we try it, it goes slower, meaning you can make smaller arts very easily. Okay, so that's the end of my tutorial, and I hope you had a great day.